If you ever find yourself on the southwest coast of England or the south coast of Ireland, have a look out on rocks just above the mid-tidal zone for this lichen, Lichina pygmaea. You can see there it grows in sort of a bushy form on the rocks. If you pinch a little bit off and squeeze it, it smells like sort of deep heat type stuff. Now this Lichina pygmaea holds an interesting isopod on southwest English and southern Irish coasts, Campecopea hirsuta. And I'm going to see if I can find any today. So what you need to find this little isopod is obviously this lichen, and you need a dibber, just a garden dibber like so, and you need a tray of water like so. Okay, and what you do is you position your tray below the Lichina pygmaea lichen and you scrape a bit of it off into the water like so. You'll get some Ligia oceanica juveniles among this stuff as well. Let's see if we've had any luck. So what you're looking for when you put it in the water, give it a little stir around, or little isopods swimming around. It might take you a few goes to find them. You mightn't find them at all, of course. Have we got any in this wee sample? They roll up in balls too, so you need to look out for the wee balls in the bottom, but normally you can see them swimming about. There's no sign of them in this sample, so I'll try another one. So I scraped a wee bit more of the Lichina pygmaea lichen into the tray, and I've got one or two Campecopea hirsuta. Here's one here, I don't know if you can see it just by the paintbrush end. They're very small, they're only 3 or 4 millimeters in length. See, they roll up in a ball when you irritate them. Often they swim around quite excitedly, and often there's quite a few when you scrape this stuff in, but today there's only one or two. See that one there? It's rolled in a ball. There was another one over here somewhere as well. Is that it? Yep, you can see it rolled in the ball as well. And there's the original one heading off, look. You can't see much in this, I mean they're only small on the mobile phone camera. If you get them, a decent view of them through a macro lens or through a microscope, they're very pretty indeed. Distinguished from other marine isopods by their size and by the single paddle on their uropods rather than the twin paddles that you get on most of the other species. The males also have a single long projecting spike out of the 7th main segment, which extends over the pleotelson. But I think there's only the 2 of them in this tray today. Sometimes there's a lot more. I'll not disturb them any further.